Well, we're going to be working on 3.3A1 today. We're going to be solving these division equations. And the first thing I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you write them all in this form right here instead of writing them with a slash. You're going to see them both ways, but I want you to be able to write them like this. That's the key, first key to success. The second thing is this is division equation. I know you're all going to go, it's 60. And I'll say, I don't care. Can you isolate the variable? Can you isolate m, get it all by itself so we can see what is equal to? So if this is division, this is m divided by 6. The way we undo that division is to multiply both sides by 6. Now watch what happens here. Really what we're doing is we're multiplying it by 6 over 1. That's why we want to have that 6 up nice and high. Well, we could think about this as 1m. If we multiplied 6 times 1, we would have 6. If we multiplied 1 times 6, we would have 6. And the m is still there. Well, what's 6 divided by 6? 6 divided by 6 is just 1m, which is just the same as m. So these 6's are just going to cross off. And I'll let you shortcut. You don't have to do all that, but you just shortcut it like that. You're left with m on this side equals 10 times 6 is 60 on the other. And there's your answer that you knew all along, but you've shown how you isolate that. So let's take a look at this one over here. This is t divided by 5 equals 19. So that's divided by 5. So we undo that by multiplying by 5. And you see, notice how I have it? You have to have this 5 up even with the t because it's in the numerator. Then you can show that they cross off. You've got t is equal to 19 times 5. 5 times... I think it's 96. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 9 is 45. 95. T equals 95, not 96. I don't know what I was thinking there. And there you go. All right. All right, let's take a look at one of these other ones here. Number 10. All I did was just reverse it a little bit. So let's just rewrite it. 115 equals j divided by 4. How do you get rid of divided by 4? You multiply by 4 on both sides. Four times 115. Well, 4 times 100 is 100. Is 4 times 1. Sorry about that. 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 15 is 60. So this would be 460 equals j. And you can try it. Always you can check your answer. 460 for j divided by 4 equals 115. Yeah, we got our answer back. All right, let's take a look at some of these word problems. Mr. Ortega is buying a ham. He wants to divide it into 6-ounce servings. So he's got this ham. He wants to divide it into 6-ounce servings for 12 people. Right, solve an equation to find what size ham Mr. Ortega should buy. So let's first of all, let's write it the correct way. The ham divided by 6 equals 12. We get rid of divided by 6 by multiplying by 6 on both sides. 6 is cross off. You're left with the h. 12 times 6 is 72. So 72-ounce ham. Now kids always struggle with this last problem, so I'll do this one too. An SLP group made 8 blankets for the Ronald McDonald House. Each blanket cost $32.25 to produce. Write and solve an equation that represents this situation. How much money did they spend in all? Well, we've got a bunch of money, and we divide it by the 8 blankets. That equals 32.25. So multiply by 8 on this side to get rid of divided by 8. Multiply 8 on this side. You've isolated the m, it's by itself. And this makes sense because there's $32.25 per blanket times 8 blankets. So 32.25 times 8 equals, looks like 258. So $258. And that's about right. Thinking of those fuzzy blankets, that the flannel is pretty expensive. All right, go ahead and you can work through the rest of them.